So we have x is equal to a sine omega t. Now it is mentioned that the speed of the pendulum at x equals a by 2. So a by 2 is equal to a sine omega t. That means the sine omega t is going to be 1 by 2. Now when sine omega t is 1 by 2, cos omega t will be root 3 by 2. Now x is this, so velocity will be a omega cos omega t, so which becomes a omega root 3 upon 2. So therefore we have a root 3 upon 2 into omega. Omega is 2 pi upon time period t. Gone. So this is going to be a root 3 pi by t. This is t. We can also use this formula. V is equal to omega root over a square minus x square, amplitude square. So this is going to be omega root over a square minus a square upon 4, which again makes v to be root 3 by 2 into a into omega. And again we can replace here omega as 2 pi upon t. So you'll get the same answer. Thank you.